working with GPS waypoint data and found a TPI file. This is a custom pointer image for mapping and GPS applications. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain what these ExpertGPS pointer image files are and how to use them. If you frequently deal with unusual TPI file types, a universal file viewer is an essential tool. We'll cover exactly the one I use and recommend later in the walkthrough. TPI files are pointer image files for ExpertGPS, a GPS mapping and data management application. They contain custom waypoint marker images that appear on the map display when viewing GPS tracks routes and waypoints. TPI files customize the visual representation of GPS data points on ExpertGPS map views. ExpertGPS TPI pointer files store small raster images used as waypoint symbols on map displays. They contain bitmap image data with transparency information for overlaying custom markers on topographic or street map backgrounds. The format is specific to the ExpertGPS mapping application symbol rendering system. The native handling utility for TPI files is ExpertGPS by Topographics. Windows provides limited editing capability, so full functionality depends on dedicated programs. Windows offers only surface-level information, while GIS applications reveal geographic content. To resolve the conflict, we need to test installed programs. Right-click your TPI file and choose Open With. Attempt to open it with ExpertGPS if it is present. Otherwise, try another tool from the list. If you cannot access the TPI file, no problem. We're close to getting this fixed. If the file is still giving you problems, we've narrowed the cause to 3 items. Here are the culprits and the precise checks required. First, installing custom pointers. Copy TPI files to the ExpertGPS symbols directory within the application's installation folder. Restart ExpertGPS and the custom pointer images appear in the waypoint symbol selection palette. Assign custom TPI symbols to individual waypoints, or set them as the default symbol for new waypoint creation. Next, using standard GPS symbols. If you cannot find TPI files, ExpertGPS includes a large library of built-in waypoint symbols accessible through the Waypoint Properties dialog. Select a waypoint and choose from categories including recreation, transportation facilities, and custom markers. The built-in symbols cover most common GPS waypoint marking needs. Finally, converting custom images. Create custom TPI pointer images by designing small icon-sized graphics in an image editor and converting them to TPI format using ExpertGPS tools, or by following the format specifications in ExpertGPS documentation. Keep designs simple and distinctive for clear visibility on map backgrounds at various zoom levels. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Using raw-level data inspection is a recommended method to try and uncover a file's true requirements when the extension label is unclear or shared. Since the manual approaches didn't work for the file, the smart move is to use FileMagick, which provides the one-click solution you need, available at filemagick.com. Did the fix work for you? Leave a quick comment below and be sure to subscribe so you catch the next video.